Hi, welcome to Quizora.
Hello, let's play.
By the end of 2025, the saying will be true. AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. The question is, are you that person? We've curated 45 critical questions covering the tools, technical concepts, and career paths defining the future workforce. Can you score above 80%, or are you falling behind? Let's find out if you're ready for the future. Question 1. You're editing a YouTube video and want to remove video background noise automatically. Which AI tool can help? The correct answer is Runway ML. Question 2. You need to generate a natural-sounding voice for your explainer video. Which AI tool would you use? ElevenLabs is the one to use for realistic text-to-speech narration. Question 3. A leading open-source model for automatically generating highly accurate subtitles from audio? The correct answer is Whisper. Question 4. A marketer needs to convert a blog post into a video instantly. Which AI tool should they use? Synthesia is the best choice for this task. Question 5. You're a writer using AI to fix tone and grammar. Which of these tools helps best? The correct answer is Grammarly. Here's another one. You want to create custom art for a thumbnail from a text prompt. Which tool should you try? Midjourney is perfect for generating creative images from text. Question 7. Your e-commerce business is expanding globally. Which AI tool offers the most precise machine translation? The correct answer is DeepL. Question 8. Which specialized generative AI model is used to create short, unique songs from simple text instructions? Suno can generate music from text instructions. Question 9. A business wants to deploy AI without heavy coding. Which of these platforms suits them? The correct answer is Google AutoML. Question 10. You want to code faster with AI-assisted suggestions in your IDE. Which tool fits best? GitHub Copilot is the tool that helps developers code efficiently. Let's continue. You're building a chatbot for your business website. Which AI platform can power it? The correct answer is OpenAI API. Question 12. You want to automate document summaries for your team. Which AI integration works best? ChatGPT API is ideal for this task. Question 13. You're generating realistic human images for a game. Which model type is ideal for this? The correct answer is diffusion model. Question 14. A security expert wants to detect fake media created by AI. What is their primary area of focus? Deepfake detection is the key focus for this role. Question 15. What computer vision technique is used to turn handwritten notes into machine-readable text? The correct answer is optical character recognition, also called OCR. Moving on. What type of predictive system is essential for streaming services to personalize content for users? Recommender system is the type used in these scenarios. Question 17. You want to extract emotions from customer reviews. Which technique applies to this? The correct answer is sentiment analysis. Question 18. A data analyst uses historical data to predict if a customer will leave. Which field of data science is this? Predictive analytics is the method applied here. Question 19. You want to predict future sales based on past data. Which AI technique should you use? The correct answer is regression modeling. Question 20. What is the field of study for developing AI that can understand, interpret, and generate human language? This is called natural language processing, or NLP. Let's see the next one. You want to analyze facial expressions from videos for research. Which AI domain applies? Computer vision is the domain that handles this. Question 22. You want an AI to write catchy YouTube titles. Which type of AI model helps with this? The correct answer is large language model. Stop. Take a breath. We are exactly halfway through. If you've answered at least 18 correctly so far, you are officially more AI literate than 90% of the general population. Now we're going to look into the technical concepts and high-paying career paths. This is where the experts separate themselves from the casual users. Question 23. Identifying an email as spam or not spam is an example of which type of supervised learning approach? Classification is the approach used in this case. Question 24. An AI learns to maximize reward by trial and error in a dynamic environment. What is this learning method? The correct answer is reinforcement learning. Question 25. You're training an image classifier, but it overfits. Which technique can you use to mitigate this? Regularization is used to prevent overfitting. And now, you want your AI to learn from a small data set using knowledge from another task. What is this called? The correct answer is transfer learning. Question 27. You want to specialize in cleaning, transforming, and preparing data for models. What is this called? This is called data preprocessing. Question 28. Which modern AI principle focuses on ensuring transparency by making model decisions understandable to humans? The correct answer is explainable AI. Question 29. Training an ML model using data distributed across many devices without centralizing it is known as what? Federated learning is the technique here. Question 30. Which technique automates the extraction of unstructured data from websites for use in an AI model? The correct answer is web scraping. Next up, you're a beginner wanting to enter the AI field. What's the best starting point? Learn Python is the recommended first step. Question 32. Which branch of mathematics is fundamentally required to understand how deep neural networks work? The correct answer is linear algebra. Question 33. You're an aspiring data scientist. Which of these skills should you master early? Statistics and probability is essential to master. Question 34. An ML engineer is working to reduce latency and size of a production model. Which skill is critical? The correct answer is model optimization. Question 35. The ability to measure a model's success using accuracy, precision, and recall requires which crucial element? Evaluation metrics is the key here. Here comes the next one. Which tool is primarily used by engineers to inspect and debug the internal structure of a neural network? The correct answer is TensorBoard. Question 37. What is the common role responsible for accurately preparing and tagging raw data for supervised learning? Data annotator, also called data labeler, handles this role. Question 38. Which career role is responsible for building and maintaining the data pipelines that feed the ML models? The correct answer is data engineer. Question 39. Which career path combines statistics, coding, and domain knowledge to extract actionable insights from raw data? This is called data scientist. Question 40. You want to maintain and scale machine learning systems after deployment. Which career should you pursue? The correct answer is MLOps engineer. Let's continue. You love researching new algorithms and advancing AI theory. Which career is a good match? AI research scientist is the right fit. Question 42. Which role sits at the intersection of business and technology, defining the roadmap for an AI product? The correct answer is AI Product Manager. Question 43. You enjoy designing user-friendly interfaces for AI tools. Which job suits you best? UX designer is the career suited for this. Question 44. What is the specialized role focused on identifying and mitigating algorithmic bias to ensure fair AI systems? The correct answer is AI ethicist. And the final question, you want to help companies adopt AI responsibly. Which of these roles fits you best? AI consultant is the role that guides organizations, and that's the end. How did you do? If you scored 40 or higher, you're AI proficient. If you were under 20, don't worry. That just means you have an exciting learning path ahead. Comment your score below. To be truly future-proof, you need to understand the hardware that powers the future. Click this video right here to test your knowledge on quantum computing, the next leap after AI. I'll see you there.